GoPro, are you ready to go into this? Ready?
Well, good morning. This is in Adelaide. I was told I was going to Adelaide yesterday when I came to work. And then it got changed just before I got to work to Sydney. But as you might be able to tell, this is not Sydney.
So where the bloody hell are you?
This is Mackay. So I've ended up in Mackay, but that's the nature of the job. You never know where you're going to go. Even if they tell you where you're going to go, you end up somewhere different. Here in Mackay, testing out this new Feiyu Tech G6 gimbal setup with the Rode video mic. I think this might just be my new setup. Smooth gimbal footage with great audio. It's very windy here right now too, so obviously you'll be able to tell with the audio if it's good or not. Beautiful day. Let's go explore the Mackay Marina. So what I used to have to do, I used to have to basically have two cameras with me. I have the one with the gimbal that had the camera in it for the smooth footage, and then one that's just handheld like this, and I had the microphone on top. So when I wanted to talk, I'd have to put the gimbal away, but when I wanted smooth footage, I had to put the handheld away. So, you know, needless to say, it was a bit of effort to carry both of those. But now I'm hoping with this setup, I literally just have to carry this one, and I have a little spare one that can just sit wherever I like, and I don't have to always have it. But again, it all depends. I need to make sure this mic is stable, and obviously the footage is good. Let's keep going. Side note, so another thing on this video, this is the Fusion. I'm just not using it as much as I thought I would, so I think I'm selling this one. It gives me cool footage, but it then strictens me to a lot longer in the editing room. So I'm going to try and simplify my gear. Hence this whole setup. I can't be bothered walking that far, so we're going to head just over the other side of the break wall. There is a beach there, and we're going to go into the beach. This is meant to be waterproof. However, it's not when I've got the microphone attached, because obviously the ports are open. I'm not going to test the waterproof today. But it's good to know if I get caught in the rainstorm. And all my gear's so soaked. It's a bit wet. My bag is soaked. I'm a little worried about my drone. The cameras. Yeah, so I should be able to keep filming in that kind of situation. I really want to like the Fusion, like I really do, but the editing part of it is just too much for me. You know, I travel all the time. When I'm home, I don't want to spend the whole time editing. I want to spend it with my wife. You know, most of this vlog has been in 4K at 30 frames a second. I've now switched to 4K 60 frames a second. It takes the same amount of space up in the SD cards, but it allows me to just keep it in 60 frames so I can use slow-mo when I want to do it. Like I said before, I don't have to switch cameras anymore. I just have this one camera, and I can just, yeah, use it for talking, then straight away into slow motion. And I don't have to change any camera, and that to me is the best setup. This Feiyu Tech, or how you say it, G6 with this microphone attached to it. It is a small, compact version of a gimbal for a vlogging setup, and I absolutely love this vlogging setup for the GoPro. I always love the GoPro because it's so small and compact, you can just take it anywhere and whip it out and film. This brings it next level where it's still compact. I can fit it just in my little bag here from work and always have it with me. Enjoy this nice little time lapse I have of the beach here to end this video, but I give the Feiyu Tech G6 9 thumbs up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Thanks for watching. Probably just a short one today, but please like, subscribe, all the usual suspects, and I will see you all in the next one. Where am I going? Well, I got Bali in 2 weeks. I'm going to go on a work trip to Bali, so I'm going to go climb a volcano. It's going to be amazing. I'm sinking. All right, see you guys. Just for comparison, this is the GoPro Hero6 4K 60 frames a second, no external microphone, no gimbal, which I'm doing right now, okay, but then as soon as I start walking, you'll see all this shake, and you'll see why I have gone for the gimbal-like setup.